Good morning. Cory here, financial coach with Financial Journeys. Today I want to talk to you about goal setting. I had a conversation with my son Dario the other day and asked him when he was going to clean the books under his bed. And he said, I'll do it when I get around to it. And I sat him down and told him, I said, if you wait for when I get around to it or when I have time, you're never going to get around to it. You're never going to have time. I told him, you've got to set a goal and establish a plan for achieving that goal. So that's what I want to talk to you about here today. So Zig Ziglar says, you cannot hit a target you cannot see, and you cannot see a target you do not have. It's sort of like operating in a fog bank. Things just aren't clear when you don't have definition to your goals. I was doing some research and I found the SMART goal process, S-M-A-R-T. It is a way of defining your goals, not just in establishing what it is, but in how to achieve it. Your goal should be specific. You want to have a clear idea of what you're trying to achieve. Rather than setting a general goal of, I want to get out of debt, or I want to build an emergency fund, your goal should cover what and how very plainly. I want to pay off $5,000 of credit card debt by working a side hustle. Or I want to build an emergency fund of $1,000 and I will do it with a garage sale. Ensuring that your goals are measurable allows you to track your progress. Financial goals are usually tracked in dollars. Tracking your progress allows you to assess your efforts during and along the path. Do you need to increase your efforts, or are you on track? Your goals need to be achievable. They need to be realistic. This is where you assess your restrictions. Trying to pay off that $5,000 credit bill in 1 month on a $400 a week salary may not be possible. You want goals that will push you, but you want to set yourself up for success. Now we look at why. Relevance. What is the driving force behind this goal? What will the achievement bring to you? If your goal doesn't align with your wants and needs, there won't be a lot of motivation to work towards it. And finally, goals need to be time-bound. That brings us back to my point to my son. You can't just get to it when you get to it. You have to set some sort of time horizon to create an urgency that will push you towards your goal. This process will help you create clear, attainable, and meaningful goals. It will help you develop the motivation, action plan, and support needed to achieve them. If you are ready to start developing your SMART goals today, I have placed a link in the notes below to download a SMART goal setting worksheet. When it comes to finances, we're all on a journey towards our destinations, and while I'm not there yet, I'm on my way.